Okay, today we got a special treat.
Okay, one more. Do it one more.
Teacher Olga is showing non-gold how to make pancake.
Okay. Oh my God! Careful. Okay. Alright, did it twice. Okay. And then separate the egg yolk from the what do you separate?
No.
The shell.
The shell from the white. Oh, okay.
Slowly.
Alright, do it. Okay. Okay, use this one for separation. Okay. Separate the white from the yellow. Okay, from the egg yolk. Alright. Cool. Okay. Alright, so we're done on that. So what you have to do is beat this one. Use this one. Use this one.
Okay, you
Like
wipe your
how to
hand.
make the
You whisk.
dalgona.
You
Oh, yeah.
whisk.
It's the same as dalgona.
Yeah, you whisk
Okay, do
it.
it. Whisk it like this. Okay? Until
This is called a whisk.
whisk. Okay, do it. Put some force. Like a pro. Like a pro chef. Okay, let me do it a bit faster and then continue doing
I want
it.
to clean my fingers. And I just
Do
Okay.
this way. And then while I'm doing it, can you mix the egg yolk? Use this fork and mix the egg yolk. Here,
Sure.
over here.
What is the yellow part of the egg?
egg yolk.
Egg yolk. Good.
Thank you.
Okay. And you mixing it. And teacher Olga, what is she doing?
What I'm doing, what are we are preparing? We are preparing a pancake with Japanese inspired.
Japanese expired pancake.
Yes. It's
Oh.
not a normal pancake. You can find it in hot rice sashimi.
I don't know how.
It's Japanese. Alright, almost. But it's hard because we don't have electric heater. Okay.
It looks like a milk.
That's the dalgona. When you do the dalgona coffee, you have to do the same thing. Alright,
You scratching?
ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't scratch your.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so take the 1 cup of this one. What is it? It's a
1 cup.
what is this?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's
is
in
this?
what's inside the cup?
Pounder.
It's a
Pounder.
Huh? Pounder?
this one. What is it?
No. What is this? It's the flour.
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 Okay.
Cooking flour. Okay, not the flour in the garden.
Okay. So how many cups did we put in?
1 cup.
Okay.
1 cup of flour.
Okay. All right. And then mix the egg yolk.
With the
Yes.
flour.
Yes.
Okay, put it all in there.
And then take 1 cup of milk.
milk.
1 cup of milk.
But don't mix them together yet. You need
Okay.
this cup.
Yeah.
Yes.
Make 1 cup of milk. It's okay. It's gonna go on that in there all together.
All right. And mix it together.
Woohoo.
Okay. Alright, and ready to mix. What do I use? You can use that one. Okay.
Okay, so now what are you mixing? The
Powder,
flour
flour, milk, and egg.
and
Yolk.
and egg yolk. Very good.
Very good. Okay.
But how about that one?
Later. This one will be later. This makes the corn first.
Yes. Whoopsie.
Yeah. Gotta mix it all together. All of it. That's why you have lumps.
Okay, good. I think I need to put some more.
Put more in here?
Yes, if you think that the milk is too
Too watery.
watery, you need
Too.
to add on at least half. Okay?
Gotta mix that in there.
Okay.
Now it looks like yes.
Okay, you gotta do it quickly.
Okay, now it's getting better. Alright.
It's getting look like a cream.
Like a thick cream. Has to be thick and cream.
It's a bit sticky.
Okay.
And can you try to
So
shake
what
this
we're
up?
going to do is we have to mix this. What is this?
Uh,
Egg what?
It's an egg white.
The white of the egg is what?
white?
Egg white.
Oh, God, tell me.
Yes.
Alright, okay. That actually should be foamy. Okay.
Now, can you
And then you get some sugar.
sugar?
Sugar, you know where the sugar is?
Okay, you can just get from me.
Where's the sugar?
Sugar.
Oh,
I
oh, I forget where she put the sugar. This one. Let's go this way.
do. Is this a sugar? Oh, God. Is this one?
Yes. I don't want to
Sticky.
see it, so maybe like this. Okay. Alright, thank you, sir.
Okay, that's brown sugar.
Brown sugar because I don't have white.
I have.
Use brown.
I
You have
have.
white?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I have a little bit left.
But
I didn't know we had brown sugar.
brown
I
is
prefer
more-
brown.
Brown is more
Healthy.
healthy. Okay, healthier. Alright, so I think we're ready. Okay, can you get the butter?
Butter?
Butter.
Do we have butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here?
Yes, you know the butter.
This one.
Yes, good. Okay, we go off into the kitchen now.
To make
What is she doing? What is
a
that?
pancake.
Okay, but what did she just put on the stove?
Pan.
The pan. Good.
Okay, so we have to put
She has a big pan. She turned the heat on. You have to turn the heat on, get it hot. The pan has to get hot.
alright.
Anyway, do you want a pancake?
I hungry. Where's my pancake?
No.
Alright.
Then what?
We have to wait till the pan
Is heat.
be
It's hot.
okay, a bit hot and then
Okay, now watch.
the butter.
Put the butter in.
Yeah.
How about pancake? What shape?
The shape.
You want a shape?
Yes. You want it?
Yes.
Just have to put a bit.
Just a little
It
bit of.
shouldn't be oily, okay? Because I don't want oily pancake. You like oily pancake?
I don't know. Taste.
Wait. You have to wait till
No, you don't taste that. It's not cooked.
just 2 minutes.
So wait until it get hot. The pan get hot.
Okay. So you just check your pan. If you think your pan is already hot and
Okay.
ready to.
Yeah, hurry.
Okay. Wait.
Hurry over.
Don't put your hand too close. Give it a few.
The heart shape.
It's a heart shape. You're gonna make heart shape pancake.
Yeah, but if I can make it bigger, I
You
can
can-
make 1, 2, 3, 4.
You can do that.
Like a flower.
You can prepare this one on Valentine's Day for your mom, okay? Because it's heart shape, or on Mother's Day, okay? So you can prepare like this for her, okay? Like that.
Okay. But do we need this one?
Yeah, later.
The spoon.
No. Not that one. Maybe this one.
Okay.
Bigger one.